Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I have got a bulk box here that's Uninspected Returns. That's got a bunch of toys, babies, doll stuff, and I'm going to open it up and show you what's in here. Okay, so all the specs on this box is, it's called a Toys and Games Baby Essentials Dolls and Stuffed Animals. It's got Hasbro, Cabbage Patch, Kids, Playtex. The original retail value is $5.21. I paid 50 bucks for it. There's 45 items in this case. So I actually spent $20 of shipping. Most of the time it's $30 of shipping, but I got a deal because I bought 3 cases at a time. And so basically 70 bucks. So a little over $1 a piece for item. Let's see what we got in here and see if we got anything that's worth selling online for Amazon and eBay. Try not to cut into. Ooh, I see some good stuff already. All right. So we have got Monopoly is always good. Monopoly sells really well. So I will definitely check, make sure. Looks like it's still brand new. So probably just got returned because some, they have 900 Monopoly games like me at their house. All right. Then we've got a Our Generation luggage and travel set, and it looks like it goes kind of with the American Girl, or like Walmart says the My Life doll. And I know this is our store. Our Generation dolls are the ones I think that Target sells. So basically they're accessories for those little tiny miniature dolls that are similar to the American Girl doll. Small basketball, needs some air, but I have a pump, I can pump that up. Looks like it's in good condition. This is a great box. Who is this guy? From Zootopia. He's the cheetah from Zootopia. Brand new. I'll make sure that if I can sell him on Amazon, I will make sure that I put him in a poly bag so he doesn't get dirty in the factory warehouse. Sorry. Baby blankets. It looks like they're called muslin blankets. M-U-S-L-I-N. Muslin blankets. Really cute detail on them. Snug as a hug is what they're called. All right, we've got something that fell out of its container. This is wooden lacing blocks. So it's got shoelaces in there and it's wooden blocks. I definitely will probably not sell this on Amazon because it's been opened and then packing taped on the end. And so sometimes with uninspected returns, that's what you get. I've got 2 of them like that, but I may be able to sell them on eBay if I find that they sell really well. So I will still look them up on Amazon sometimes just to see, okay, are they even selling well? And then I get a sales rank to know how quickly things sell. This is Marvel's Vulture from the Spider-Man Homecoming movie. So you can see it was on clearance for $4.90, but I got it for just barely over $1. Okay, we've got Connect 4. Games always sell really, really well. And so I might make $5 on this one. Let's see. Baby Alive. Baby Alive sells really well. Missing the baby bottle though. So we'll see if it's in this container. Maybe it just fell out. If it does not have the baby bottle, I'll definitely have to sell that one on eBay. But if I find the baby bottle, I maybe could sell it on Amazon. Here's a Trolls little toy. Really cute toy. The nice thing about this is all of this stuff has the tags on it. Some Minecraft socks. Those are cute. All right. Here's a whale. I'll show you the back. It's a nightlight. So as you can see, you plug it into the wall, but it's a cute little blue whale. So that's really fun. So that's in great condition. A lot of baby stuff, as you can see. Let's see what else. Decker Plus Refill 2-pack. Oh, it looks like maybe it's a baby diaper bag. Yes, this box holds up to 1,060 diapers for the number of bags in here. So it's basically kind of like a diaper genie refill. Okay, let's see what else we got. Nerf bullets. So yellow Nerf bullets. Roblox, my kids play Roblox. So here's a character from Roblox, Apocalypse Rising. So The box is a little bit, you know, beat up, but I'll have to see if I want to do that eBay or Amazon. Chore chart. It's a game. We put different chores on there. That's really cute. I need that for my house. I need that to do my own chores. I don't want to do chores. All right, little raccoon. Plush toy just from the baby section of the Target store. Callisto. Wrestler. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Wrestling mask. So good shape with that. We've got stickers to do like a solar system on a wall. Looks like they're all in there. They just kind of shift to the bottom. There, you can see them a little bit better now. So some those little stickers that stick to the windows. A bunch of camel. Are these camel or alpaca foam stickers? Now, if these can't sell, I'll probably give these to my kids as school teachers just so they have more fun stickers. All right. Ooh, 2007 Holiday Edition Cabbage Patch doll.
2017.
Sorry, you're right. Thank you. 2017 Holiday Edition Cabbage Patch doll. So, brand new. Very nice. Alrighty. Let's see what else we got in here. A little taggy type blanket. It's got a pink unicorn whale. It's a uniwhale, but it's on a star. It's really fun. It's very soft. Cloud Island. So it's a star this way and a uniwhale that way. Okay. Alrighty, we've got Color and Play Frozen. Are these calendars? Yes, giant calendars. No, just giant coloring books. They look like a calendar, but Color and Play giant coloring and activity book. So I've got a bunch of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those. So that hopefully will sell really well. I've been really pleased with the condition of the items in this box. This has been really much better than the other box that I opened. This one looks like it's been opened. It's some sort of a remote control play school, preschool kind of car. Youth, I'm not sure exact, remote, basically an RC car. So it comes with a little antenna and then a little, it looks like a preschool kind of remote control car. So I'll have to see if those sell well on eBay because I definitely can't sell it on Amazon. Diaper Genie refill. Those I know sell really well. Whether or not I'm ungated to sell it, I'll have to see because I've never sold one on Amazon. Here's another one of those diaper bag odor preventing refills. Here is just a plain white clipboard. So if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it for myself because I'm always on the lookout for office supplies. Some more blankets. Cloud Island blankets. Box has been smushed a little bit, but not too bad. So blankets, baby blankets. Unicorn. Random light up unicorn. I don't know how it lights up, but we'll figure it out. So, random unicorn. All right. Okay, I think I know what went in this box. Wood cookies, it says. So I'm supposed to have 8 wood cookies. Let's see if we can find them. It's like, where's Waldo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see any more wood cookies. Were there supposed to be 8? See if they're supposed to be 8. I thought there were supposed to be 8 because it shows 8 on the picture. So we only have 6 wood cookies. So we can't sell the wood cookies. Okay, Family Feud. Hilarious Steve Harvey. So this has Family Feud. Survey says it comes with the little board game and all the cards. So that's really fun. Operation. This takes me back. This is a blast from the past. It's the original Operation guy. I've seen like SpongeBob Operation and Dora Operation and lots of other things like that. But it's been a while since I've seen the original Operation guy. So that's a good one. Games always sell well for me, especially when they're in new condition. Rube Goldberg's Worlds of Hilarious Inventions. So it looks like you can build multiple different types of inventions. Let me show you the back. It kind of gives you a better clue of what it is. So you can build different things, kind of domino effect, see if they work. All right, I've got some monkeys, stretchy monkey favors. So these are just little monkey toys, missing one here. So I won't be able to sell this online. But they can go in a prize box maybe for something. This is Chewbacca keychain, another Chewbacca Star Wars keychain. Star Wars stuff sells great for me. If you can't sell it on Amazon, eBay's a great place for it. Cards Against Humanity Season's Greeting Pack. So it's a refill. Cards Against Humanity is a game, like a party game. And so this is a Season's Greeting version. Okay. Here is Kristoff from Frozen. So we got Kristoff from Frozen. No, I will not start singing the song. I will refrain myself. All right, and then another little plush toy. So everything in this box was in really good condition. Few things banged up, few things missing pieces, which is probably why it was returned. But I've been overall really, really pleased with all the stuff that came out of that box. I think I'll be able to sell a lot of it, and so be able to make up my, like I said, I spent $50 on it, $70 is total what I paid because I paid $20 in shipping. Normally bulk cases are $30 in shipping, but I got a good deal because I bought 3 cases at once. So that's basically what I found in that box. Really, really impressed with the uninspected returns I got out of my toys and games and baby items box. So hopefully this has been helpful and you've learned something, and leave some comments if you have any questions about anything. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.